This is Tim Rainear. I'm with Microwave Journal, and we're here today at day one of IMS 2026 in Boston. I'm with Joel Levine, CEO and head of RFMW. And Joel, what do you think so far? This is day one. How's the crowd been?
Crowd's been amazing, Tim. This is probably my 40-something IMS that I've attended, and every year, especially in Boston and San Francisco, they just seem to get better and better and busier and busier.
What are you featuring this year? Who are some of your newest product family members?
So some of our new suppliers are Pasternak, which has been a constant in the industry forever as far as their interconnect and test and measurement products. RFHIC, which is a company out of Korea that we're dealing with on a system level, power amplifier level, and a GaN transistor level. And also a company called IPP, Innovative Power Products, that does couplers, dividers, splitters, resistors and terminations, and that's a good part of what we try to sell as far as filling in a lot of the block diagram for the, whether it be a radio, whether it be transmit, whether it be receive. We're trying to help the customer provide solutions for their design. We're trying to help them do their designs and provide solutions on a component level. So we recommend what we feel is the right component for their application, whether it be high power, whether it be pulse or CW, whether it be receive side or transmit side, industrial, defense and aero. As you know, the defense aero market is going crazy right now. We're focusing a lot on drone and anti-drone products and devices that are going to drone and anti-drone. And of course, SATCOM. We're doing a lot with SATCOM, both on the satellite side and on the ground station side, both on defense, aero, and commercial, like device to device and from satellite to device.
Right. I was going to ask you about that. We've seen a lot of the direct-to-device activity throughout the industry, and the recent partnership, I guess, or joint venture of the three cellular companies was pretty interesting. I don't know if that's affected any of your business yet or not.
Well, there's two ways of looking at telecom. One is the first tier, which we don't really deal with, a lot of the first tier manufacturers, but the second and third tier and some of the unique suppliers to the telecom industry, like repeaters, SATCOM, ground stations, we're all over them, and we're doing a great job, both from sub 6 gigahertz up to 40 gigahertz at this time. And we've got components, again, for every one of their applications. We've got devices for their application. And that's why we're here. We're here just as much to talk to customers as we are to suppliers, to find out what the new products are. And as you go around our booth, you'll see a lot of the components that are being used in a lot of the newer applications, as well as the ongoing applications in the RF and microwave industry.
One of the new things I've been hearing a lot about this week already is, well, a combination of AI and quantum computing. You got any activity in either of those spaces?
Yeah, quantum computing, we've been selling a lot of product into, because I don't understand the technology myself, but all I know is there's a lot of cable assemblies and a lot of RF amplifiers, and it's going into quantum computing. And again, we've got the components and the products that go into that. Good. And if you want to talk about AI test and measurement, go next door to Anritsu, and they've got an AI VNA next door that actually talks to you. I thought that was pretty cool. I wouldn't know how to use it, but...
Well, you mentioned Pasternak earlier. We visited their booth, and they're doing a lot of interesting anti-drone technology. A lot of their systems have multiple antennas, so depending on what frequency the drone is communicating on, they can detect them, and they're using them to protect stadiums and government buildings and such. So, interesting technology.
Yeah. The best part about being in the RF industry is that when you understand the products and the applications like our suppliers do, like our salespeople do, like our product management team and our product marketing team does, it becomes second nature to recommend the right component for their design. And that's why we're here displaying the products we're displaying.
I also wanted to thank you, Joel, for all your support of Frequency Matters over the years. You and I were just in the 300th episode, and that was a fun show. But Thanks again for your time. Thanks for sharing your booth with us. And this is Tim Rainear signing off from IMS 2026 in Boston.